How to save your first $10,000. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build savings so quickly while others stay stuck living paycheck to paycheck? The truth is, saving your first $10,000 is not about being rich. It's about building the right habits early. And once you reach your first $10,000, everything starts to feel different. You stress less, you make smarter decisions, and most importantly, you finally feel in control of your money. So how do you actually save your first $10,000? Let's break it down. Step 1. Know where your money is going. Most people think they have an income problem, but in reality, they have a spending problem. Before you can save money, you need to understand your habits. For the next 30 days, track every single expense. Yes, everything. Coffee, food delivery, subscriptions, online shopping, random small purchases. You'll probably be shocked at how much money disappears on things you barely remember buying. Awareness is the first step to change. Step 2. Follow a simple budget system. One of the easiest systems is called the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, things like rent, groceries, transportation, and bills. 30% goes to wants, entertainment, shopping, eating out, hobbies. And 20% goes directly into savings or investments. This system keeps your finances balanced without making life feel miserable. Step 3. Increase your income. Cutting expenses helps, but there's a limit. At some point, you need to earn more. This could mean freelancing online, learning a high-income skill, working extra shifts, starting a side hustle, or selling digital services. Even an extra $300 to $500 per month can completely change your savings timeline. More income creates more options. Step 4. Automate your savings. This is one of the most powerful money habits. Set up an automatic transfer the same day you get paid. Move money directly into a savings account before you even have a chance to spend it. This removes emotion from the process. You don't rely on motivation. You rely on systems. And systems always win. Step 5. Stay focused on the long-term goal. Saving your first $10,000 will probably feel slow at first. That's normal. The beginning is always the hardest. But every dollar saved is building momentum. Your first 1,000 teaches discipline. Your first 5,000 builds confidence. And your first 10,000 changes your mindset forever. Because at that point, you stop thinking like a spender and start thinking like a builder. Remember this, the goal is not just saving money. The real goal is becoming the kind of person who can always create financial security. Your first $10,000 starts today.